Ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to show and explain to you in detail my one and only trading strategy that has been working for me in the last few months, that in return did gain me a lot of money. And as you can see, I was able to test it on one of my small accounts. For those with trust issues, you can see for yourself that it is a real account, and the lot size used here is the minimum lot size that even a person with as little as $25 account could trade as me and get these same results. But I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys. Don't ever make the mistake of believing that market success has to come to you very fast. Always trade small, stay in the game, persist, and eventually you will reach an amazing, satisfying level of proficiency. Before we proceed with the video, please allow me to introduce you to the sponsor of this video, who is none other than Trader Central. Trader Central offers a suite of financial products including funding, spot cryptocurrency exchanging, and liquidity services. All traders out there looking to get funded with real live accounts, then Trader Central should be your number one choice. You can get started by registering with them through the link that it is found in the description below. Any questions regarding Trader Central, feel free to join the Telegram channel through the link in the pinned comment below. So the title says how to grow small Forex accounts consistently and hence become a profitable trader in the process of doing that. Let me now share with you the strategy that I have been using in the last few months. My trading day always starts with me on the 4-hour time frame. It is on 4-hour time frame where I decide if I'm going to buy or sell in the lower time frame of any particular index that I'll be looking to trade on that particular day. If the 4-hour time frame is showing an upward momentum like this, then what I'm going to do next is I will go to the lower time frame and be looking for buy entries only. Again, if the 4-hour time frame is showing a downward momentum like this, then on the lower time frame I'll be looking for sell entries only and nothing else. So suppose you already did notice and concluded for yourself that on our higher time frame, which for this case is the 4-hour time frame, showing an upward momentum, what to do next is either to go to 30-minute time frame or 15-minute time frame to get your entries for the trade. On this lower time frame, you will be expected to see how the uptrend market moves. And how does the uptrend market moves? The uptrend market always moves in series of higher highs and higher lows, just like this drawing right here. Knowing how the market moves once in an uptrend or downtrend, let me explain by using just simple knowledge how I was able to catch this trade and win these kinds of profits. Now on this particular sell trade that I did show you guys earlier on the start of this video, I had to wait for the market to sell for some time and waited patiently for the market price to come back to the previous broken level or zone that some traders who like to look professional may call it previous lower low. But again, should you just jump straight away into the trade just because the market is on the retest to the previous broken level? Probably not, right? Yes, don't do that. Don't do that. Instead, you have to wait for the market to show you some kind of exhaustion from the short-term buyers that did emerge. And how can you possibly know that the market right now is on exhaustion and it's time to sell? If you have asked yourself that question, I will tell you this one thing, that it is a very, very good question. Some traders may use conferences such as Fibonacci tool or indicators such as relative strength index, etc., etc. But I personally tend to look for weak rejections within the candlesticks. The weak rejections should always appear on your screen like this. The weak rejections should be at the top of the body and not otherwise. Once identified, then you are good to go and execute the trade. But again, ladies and gentlemen, let me make this 100% clear with you. This is not some holy grail strategy. There will be times where the market will not respect this strategy, and that's why you must practice at all times proper risk management and always learn how to train your trading psychology. If any one of you will be in need of having me as your personal mentor for a period of a whole month, then please have my contact details that are found within the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like this video, smash that subscribe button, and do not forget to turn the notification bell icon on so as to never miss any of my future uploads. May God bless you and your family. Have a nice day. Bye bye.